Lenge kamsan tharing ki nyendo siga pe patinya lenge samal ol kasu shugiye tharing anjo dung chi ki thone inji jangai ki lopsen ji chadi ne ya tharing dung dinge ki thaja ran thone chi lengyo do mare ro tharing dung pening jumuye re di nge ge lenge sala thap chi ngor shi yin da ra manju shri jamya ki sabshu kan gi thap di re thap di ta wara ji na the nang lo la phek inji ni ga thi she re ro ine nge ge thari inji dung di lo ne lenge sala di she ga rang do ji ko dung da chi ba chadi ra keri ni nan thi she yo che dung di yin bai na kesa wandela gi samnang yo chi sare an mala remote nge de tashi chendela redu an dusto tharing anjo dung di logi indra kisilenge sogi di khende yo paina nyendu motene sirona thingyon na kisilenge song anjo channel thol thama thambo pejo do chaguduna khamsang nimingla kizum si yo anjo tunda takpa phege tone inji jai gi nyendu nga tangi yore henge su phege shingyo batam phege tone inji jande yo paina inji anjo channel thol subscribe na laso tago chugi Lasu lenge nge su che dung de la shagi an nganzo ko chu in the ra kharila do in the morning Amala tried to feed her baby but little Doma was deep in sleep. What a sleeping beauty. Sleep well, my dear, Amala whispered as she put the baby in the crib. Shokpa kharichire la warajina Amalagi kurangi pu chunjula feed cha omatea try chires thapshish chires ineya phomo drama khari chide or shupaina pat ni nangla thim de yores ani amlage phomo ni khunye jema sleeping beauty len thana ngju dung chirwa thinde sleeping beauty chidus ni abo khusra amla whispered le du ke chunju chin la chirwa thinde jila res ani pu khari chire crib nal pu nyasa nangla pharanja lugres thene khari chido As the sun rays shafted through the bedroom curtains, Amala gave the baby a little massage and changed the nappy. Tini nima dus chine char le du sambola and Amala nima de khandishar le na bedroom curtains ta de nganjo gi thayo ni chu nima shar le du sambola Amala gi morangi pugula massage dis chitang tini moigi chure di chapden jeu jares. La la la, she sang and sang, but little Doma refused to open her eyes. Ta amlagi mola chapden jeu yegi la shedo tang ro chine ya pumo Doma ki khari chire la ore chino mik tang khore yo mare ni kudiris. Amala's soft singing voice seemed to put her into a deeper sleep. Amlagi thandu she nyembu tang shwe jor wa digi thandu ya pumo chinju de khari chirla na ni thandu thim dwenge ro je charis thene khache do after a few hours chujo khashis chigdela auntie Nima knocked on the door. I have brought some milk, she announced. Tini chujo khashis chigdela ani doma khari chirla na nangla le shasra ani doma gi khari chire ngegi oma khini leus. She peeped into the bedroom and praised the calm baby. Tini mugi nyaga nangla dus chini pomochinju kusim nya deo chiorra shijambu gi thone dila khandi yakbudola ni thande ngakje che chiris. Good night, little angel, said Auntie as she turned her head away. Tini tamo nyan go mind kalore ma gyapshita ne mora doer cups de la kharichilena ani good night little angel hamuchunju simjana angosra ni gyuchini khuni de la res tini gachida chop chop chop. The sound of pala chopping vegetables filled the house ra tini pala gi ta chedogi chetup de sarwa digi nyankhang khangba kechok kangshris. You are going to wake up the baby, cried Amla. But little Doma was still deep in sleep. Ra ta Amla gi khari larlana chra thende ke chumbuchine chedo tupne sinjang bingjang chewaraji na phomochunju ni seir da laris yine yang khari chire phomo Doma thanduya pat khura ni nangla thim de yores thene karchito. At noon, Ningu Karchire, the baby suddenly moved her feet and opened her eyes wide and bright. Ningu hop the mela Pumuchinji Karchirlana, Moramik bet tang womas chetauji dang, ni setting a doji charis. Doma has woken up. Better feed her now. Everyone cried out together. Tatini nangmishamba thangma inyam dukarilana, Doma langsa shasta molatanda, Kalate or Omate or Chewa Regina Yapuyores. Tenekajido. Amala tried to feed Doma. Amla gi Doma la khalate thapsi chiresta and the pochinju omala warra. This time the baby sucked the nipple, but within few seconds she closed her eyes. Ta thanda de la thanda oma jibruj dwara pomo Doma gi ya jibe de jibre sine ya karcha khashi signal la moranja kharchire ni khudres. What a sleepyhead. Good night, my baby, Pala said jokingly. Pomo thende ngishor chidusra simja nangonya pomo chinju laris choblangi langi. Then karchidu. Late in the afternoon, grandma and grandpa returned from Kora. Tini ningyap dewa chigla pola da molangi Kora donitsu lo leris. Is she still sleeping? What a peaceful baby, exclaimed the grandma. And little Doma continued to sleep. Ta karchire kuni le suloli di momulagi pomo chinju thande nyad des. Pomo thinde peaceful shi jambu thinde khandires ra. Ani karchire ne Doma thande nyad yores. Ta karchito. The night has fallen and the family chattered loudly around the dinner table. Ta konda chemo chares ani nangmi changma dokje den la khala dosa keja ro she de yores. By now, everyone was sure that the baby would continue to sleep. The dinner was served and slurped. Ta thanda ta kharcha lana nangmi sangma ro. Ta phomo toma thandu nyani de resha lejo ro. Kuran jo dinner gonda khalasa an lelo chin de yores. Khojogi iche kare lana ta phomo nya dir lejo ro. Thene karchi do. Tap tap tap. Off went the lights. Thene lo changma series. Good night, precious baby. Aninge pumurinche simjanangos said both Pala and Palamlangi gaidus laridarwa. It was quiet except for a distant barking of dogs. Ra. The taringbuchini kike yawamato shimbasama kusim res. It's bedtime now, announced grandma. Ta amla kharlalanta nya to simshas. She left for the bedroom. Grandpa followed her quietly, mumbling a prayer and telling his beads. Right? Tini momla ta nyaga dugi la du popula ke o re lab ani khandu chigi thengwa di chigi chine dodoris thengwa di simgi chine doshares nyasala. They both said good night to everyone. Tini konyi ge changmala simjana ngolen la res. Ta karjedo ani ta changma nyaga dosarwa ani wow lene ke shush gya dwara tene kachido ke gyab ta mi changma nyaga dode ani phumotoma bat kore ni thangdinge chadishra tanga jogi tung dusto cha tene ko ngwe yang gosuk dwara phumotoma ngwe gosuk ato dusto ji chadiore an lopche dusto chi laso lenge tharingi ngendung dirang sami tharingi ngendung lenge chola phento po thukdo do chung yo nye rewa chi ye ma phenge la subscribe na yo ne injik subscribe na ne pheruna jama ngendung sna lenge sama kyar tu jai rewa chi ye tibad lenge sama chapu chine shuru nang ansinyam do inji jani shuru nang